What is going on, guys? So today we're gonna be dressing up the engine bay a bit. We're gonna be changing out the spark plugs and the spark plug wires, and we're gonna make it look a lot nicer. We're gonna be matching with the rest of the hoses that we got blue. So this is what we got. We got some factory recommended NGK wiring set. And since we use 8 spark plugs, we need 8 plugs. So this is a set. And then we got the spark plugs that are for the intake. So you gotta use these specific spark plugs, which is this part number. If anyone is doing this spark plug replacement. And then on the other side, we gotta use these, which are hidden over here. We have to take the intake box out, and for these, this is the part code. I believe it said these were pre-gapped, but we're gonna double check. And it's supposed to be from around 0.031 to 0.035. So let's see if they come pre-gapped. Oh, I got a little tight there. It's about 30. I don't know if you count it from this edge or that edge, but it's around there. Oh damn, that thing is stuck on there. I'm gapping it a little bit bigger when I'm going through, because it stops like at 30. So I'm gonna do that with all of these, and then we'll come back when we start taking things apart. Oh damn, that was super tight. What else is on?
What's it?
Alright, so we're gonna be taking off the intake side first, and then putting in the plugs, and then the exhaust side. And we know this because we saw this diagram on Google. So if you guys need some help, you can just search it up. Yeah, I'm gonna just remove them, and then after I have all the plugs in, we'll remove all the wires out of this distributor cap, and then we'll put the new ones on. That shit, yeah. This hasn't been changed for a long time. As you can tell, I hope Jose is getting a shot right. Okay, well, you can kind of see it. I don't know why it doesn't focus. It's on autofocus. And yeah, these needed to get changed. These look like the original ones. But alright, we're gonna continue removing all these. those spark plugs out, you need to use a 13/16 socket, spark plug socket, because the standard 5/8 doesn't work for these. But I'm pretty sure the NGK ones that we got to replace it with will work with them. We'll see right now. The exhaust side spark plugs look. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but you can tell just by how they look. And then this is the intake side. They all needed to get changed. Let's see if the 5/8 works with this standard. No, it does not. So you're gonna need the 13/16 for the whole job. Alright, so let's put some freaking anti-seize on these. I'm gonna do that exhaust side first, and then we're gonna do the intake one. It's gonna be the same thing. So we'll come back when you start changing all these old wires to the new NGK wires, which look really nice. So we'll come back.
Yeah.
Alright, so all those spark plugs are in. Now we're gonna put the wires. And we found a different diagram and how we're going to follow it. So on the distributor cap on ours, it says the same thing. It has codes like let's say like second spark plug, which is this one, for the exhaust is here. So on the motor it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So you'll do 1 to exhaust 1, 2 to exhaust 2, and it's all labeled there on the distributor cap, so it's fairly easy. So if you guys need help, just find this diagram on Google. Alright, update. He took all the wires off. So we're just gonna clean that off so we can get a better connection. So we're done putting all the wires to their correct locations. So this is how it looks with all the new spark plug wires. Different kind of blues, but they're kind of similar. It makes the engine bay look a lot better, even though it still needs a lot more work because it's very dirty. It still makes it pop out more, and we're gonna find out how it starts up. Alright, so we got it all together. We put the airbox on, and I mean, we don't have the radiator on, but we're just gonna see real quick how it sounds when it turns on. Uh-oh. Hold on. It smells like a lot of gas. Well, this install is complete, and it starts off pretty good from last time. I mean, look how gone these spark plugs were, and those old wires are garbage. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.